Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS. From today we are going to start revision and today we are going to revise chapter number 2, My Body. The points which we will discuss in this chapter are what is our body, external body parts and internal body parts. Kids, you know our body is the most amazing machine. It has many parts like eyes, we have 2 eyes, ears, we have 2 ears, we have 1 nose, we have 2 hands and 10 fingers, we have 2 legs and 10 toes. Each of the body part does some other work and these body parts are divided into 2 categories, external body parts and internal body parts. Now do you know what are external body parts? The body parts which are visible to you. Children, when you stand in front of mirror, जब आप mirror के सामने खड़े होते हैं, the body parts which are visible to you that time, which you can see are external body parts like eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs. Internal body parts. Internal body parts are body parts that are hidden inside our body like brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Okay, now we will discuss each one by one. Brain. Brain is inside our head. Brain help us to think. It is protected by skull. Heart. Heart is on the left hand side of the chest. It pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Lungs. We have 2 lungs. They are like air balloons. Lungs help us to breathe. Stomach. Stomach help us to digest food which we eat throughout the day. Now we will discuss bookwork of this chapter. You will learn this bookwork with me, kids. The dash is hidden in our chest. What is hidden in our chest? Heart. We have dash lungs. How many lungs do we have? We have 2 lungs. The dash protects our brain. Who protects our brain? Skull. The food goes into our dash. Where food goes? In our stomach. Okay. After this, now we will discuss notebook work. You will learn with me, kids. Name any 4 internal body parts. Okay, now what are internal body parts? The body parts that are hidden inside our body. What are the names? Let's see. Heart, brain, lungs, stomach. Okay. Now question number 2. Differentiate between external and internal body parts. Let's see. External, internal. We can see them. Example, hands. We can see our hands. When you stand in front of mirror, you can see your hands now. Yes or no? So hands are external body parts. We cannot see them. Example, heart. Can you see your heart? No, because it is hidden inside our body. Okay. Okay. Now we will learn spelling of 5 sense organ. First is eyes. E-Y-E-S, and eyes help us to see. Ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. Ear help us to hear, to listen. Eyes, we have 2 eyes. We have 2 ears. Second is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Nose help us to smell, to breathe. Next is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Tongue help us to taste, to lick. And the last is skin. And skin is the largest part of our body. Skin help us to touch, to feel. The last spelling is earbud. E-A-R-B-U-D. Whenever you need to clean your ears, you should clean it with earbud. Okay. Please go through the recorded videos which we have sent you earlier of chapters. Thank you.